Starting a small business doesn't need huge money. It needs a smart idea that fits your skills, time, and the demand around you. Today, in this video, we are sharing 101 small business ideas to start your small business. Watch till the end because one of these ideas can be the starting point of your financial freedom. Number 1. Urban balcony farming setup. Help city residents grow vegetables on balconies by providing kits, soil mixes, and easy setup services. Number 2. Mini laundry pick-drop service. Offer doorstep pickup and delivery for small laundry loads in busy neighborhoods with fast turnaround. Number 3. Personalized spice blend maker. Create customized spice blends based on customer taste profiles and sell them in small branded jars locally or online. Number 4. Mobile shoe cleaning station. Visit customers to clean, polish, deodorize, and restore shoes using a compact mobile kit. Number 5. Home aquaponics starter kits. Sell small aquaponics systems that help families grow fish and vegetables together indoors. Number 6. Eco-friendly gift wrapping service. Provide reusable fabric wraps and natural decoration materials for events and gifting needs. Number 7. Compact home gym setup consultant. Guide people in building low-budget home gyms with space-saving equipment and personalized plans. Number 8. Smart closet organizer. Help families redesign closets, declutter clothes, and create seasonal rotation systems for easier dressing. Number 9. Travel-ready meal prep packs. Prepare lightweight, ready-to-heat meal kits for travelers, hikers, or busy professionals. Number 10. Senior digital companion service. Assist elderly people with phones, apps, banking, photos, and social media in simple weekly sessions. Number 11. Pet birthday experience planner. Plan small pet celebrations with decor, treats, themed photos, and simple activities. Number 12. Allergy-safe snack box service. Create snack boxes for people with allergies by sourcing certified safe products. Number 13. Low-water garden designer. Design gardens that need less water using drought-resistant plants and simple irrigation layouts. Number 14. Home safety setup for kids. Install baby gates, cabinet locks, corner guards, and create child-safe zones at home. Number 15. Portable water testing service. Test drinking water quality for homes and shops using simple, portable testing tools. Number 16. Quick apartment painting crew. Offer one-day painting for small houses using fast-dry paints and clean work methods. Number 17. Mini home bakery boxes. Sell weekend-only micro-batch bakery boxes with 3 to 5 items for local customers. Number 18. Backyard tent stay setup. Set up safe backyard camping experiences for families with lights, mats, and simple activities. Number 19. Refill-only home cleaning station. Provide refill stations for cleaning liquids so customers reuse bottles and save money. Number 20. Lost item digital tracker setup. Help people attach smart trackers to keys, wallets, bags, and configure their apps. Number 21. Zero-waste grocery kit assembly. Create kits with jars, bags, labels, and shopping guides for zero-waste shoppers. Number 22. Local language learning buddy. Teach basic conversational language to immigrants or tourists through short, friendly sessions. Number 23. Quick wall art installer. Install framed art, mirrors, decor, and gallery walls in homes and offices. Number 24. Everyday repair van. Fix small home issues like broken handles, loose switches, and minor leaks. Number 25. Houseplant doctor visit. Diagnose plant issues, treat pests, repot, and create care plans for customers' houseplants. Number 26. Solar lantern distribution microbusiness. Sell durable solar lanterns in areas with unstable electricity. Number 27. Emergency phone charging stand. Set up paid charging stations at bus stops, markets, and crowded places. Number 28. Handmade natural floor cleaner. Produce floor cleaners using neem, vinegar, and essential oils. Number 29. Custom storage box maker. Design and build wooden or cardboard storage boxes for closets and offices. Number 30. Local grocery delivery rider. Deliver groceries from nearby stores with a small service fee. Number 31. On-demand sewing fixes. Provide small stitching jobs like button repair and quick hems. Number 32. Home compost setup guide. Help families start composting with bins, starter kits, and training. Number 33. Air quality improvement consultant. Suggest purifiers, plants, and airflow changes to improve indoor air. Number 34. Local festival decoration service. Decorate homes during festivals using reusable materials. Number 35. Eco-friendly return gift maker. Create return gifts from bamboo, jute, or handmade items. Number 36. Community reading club host. Run small reading clubs with weekly meetups and book swaps. Number 37. Pet hair removal expert. Clean pet hair from sofas, carpets, and car seats with special tools. Number 38. Street vendor hygiene trainer. Teach vendors simple hygiene methods to increase customer trust. Number 39. Small cafe setup advisor. Help people design small, home-based, or kiosk-style cafes. Number 40. Children's story recording studio. Record personalized audio stories with kids' names and characters. Number 41. Digital photo organizer. Sort, categorize, and clean thousands of photos for families. Number 42. Reusable container delivery system. Deliver food in reusable containers and collect them back. Number 43. Simple home CCTV installer. Install basic camera systems and train families to use them. Number 44. Snack vending rack service. Place small snack racks in offices or shops and restock weekly. Number 45. Sustainable picnic kit rental. Rent plates, mats, baskets, and reusable containers for picnics. Number 46. Local weather alert service. Provide customized alerts for farmers, travelers, and small shops. Number 47. Pet social meetup organizer. Host local pet gatherings with activities and training sessions. Number 48. Micro home theater setup. Install mini projectors and sound systems in small rooms. Number 49. Urban rainwater guide. Teach families to store and reuse rainwater in simple ways. Number 50. Waste to craft maker. Turn waste materials into decor items and sell them locally. Number 51. Fridge freshness checker. Offer weekly fridge checks, remove expired items, clean shelves, and help families maintain food hygiene. Number 52. Mini elder fitness coach. Provide simple, low-impact exercise sessions for seniors at home or community parks. Number 53. Small space makeover artist. Redesign tiny rooms using budget-friendly furniture, colors, and simple layout tricks. Number 54. Stress-free moving helper. Help pack, label, organize, and unpack small household items during shifting. Number 55. Local breakfast delivery box. Deliver fresh, simple breakfast packs to offices and homes every morning. Number 56. Backyard poultry setup guide. Help families start small backyard poultry setups with safe coops and care tips. Number 57. Indoor pet playground builder. Create small play areas for pets inside apartments using safe equipment. Number 58. Home coffee corner designer. Set up beautiful coffee corners with storage, machines, and decor. Number 59. Portable bike repair stand. Fix cycles and e-bikes directly at customers' homes. Number 60. Apartment water leak checker. Identify early leakage signs using basic tools and prevent major damage. Number 61. Quick event photo booth setup. Set up simple themed photo booths for houses, parties, and offices. Number 62. Home snack dehydration service. Make dehydrated chips, fruits, and herbs for customers using hygienic methods. Number 63. Pet travel preparation expert. Guide pet owners with documents, crates, checks, and packing before travel. Number 64. Eco-friendly candle maker. Produce soy or beeswax candles with natural scents and sell them locally. Number 65. Apartment noise reduction consultant. Suggest curtains, panels, and layout changes to reduce noise inside homes. Number 66. Memory scrapbook creator. Design and create scrapbooks for birthdays, anniversaries, and travel memories. Number 67. Mini car interior cleaner. Offer quick interior cleaning, vacuuming, and polishing for cars at home. Number 68. Safe household chemical storage setup. Help families organize safe spaces for chemicals, medicines, and tools. Number 69. Local farmer box partner. Package and deliver fresh produce directly from farmers to local buyers. Number 70. Old furniture makeover service. Repaint, repair, or redesign old furniture for modern use. Number 71. Home aroma experience curator. Create fragrance setups using diffusers, oils, and fresh herbs. Number 72. Everyday meal reminder service. Provide reminders, meal plans, and hydration alerts for busy professionals. Number 73. Healthy after-school snack maker. Prepare and deliver healthy snacks for kids with simple packaging. Number 74. Smoothie bar on wheels. Serve fresh smoothies using a small mobile cart. Number 75. Home study corner designer. Build study corners for kids with proper lighting, shelves, and decor. Number 76. Eco Festival Cleanup Squad. Provide cleanup teams for festivals, picnics, and community events. Number 77. Mobile solar charging cart. Sell portable charging through small solar-powered carts in public areas. Number 78. Personal closet washer. Offer washing service for rugs, blankets, and big closet items at home. Number 79. Digital warranty organizer. Store and track warranties, bills, and dates for families digitally. Number 80. Reusable lunchbox program. Provide reusable lunchbox sets and weekly cleaning service. Number 81. Small pet grooming mobile van. Offer grooming for cats and small dogs everywhere with a simple mobile van. Number 82. Healthy oil-free snack maker. Make roasted, baked, and dehydrated snacks for health-conscious customers. Number 83. Local water can delivery system. Deliver clean water cans to apartments with secure tracking. Number 84. Houseplant gift box maker. Create themed plant gift boxes for birthdays, office events, and houses. Number 85. Home fridge organization expert. Arrange shelves, boxes, zones, and labels for cleaner fridge management. Number 86. Personalized routine planner. Create daily routines for fitness, work, meals, and habits for clients. Number 87. Mini home inventory manager. Document all home items for insurance and safety purposes. Number 88. Lost document recovery support. Help people find, organize, or reapply for lost essential documents. Number 89. Safe toy sanitizing service. Sanitize baby toys using safe, non-toxic methods for hygiene. Number 90. Kitchen upgrade on budget. Help families upgrade kitchens using low-cost racks, lights, and organizers. Number 91. Reusable festival decor rental. Rent high-quality decor items that reduce festival waste. Number 92. Chill corner setup expert. Build relaxing corners with lights, plants, seating, and calming designs. Number 93. Guest room preparation service. Prepare neat guest rooms with toiletries, linens, scents, and small touches. Number 94. Home art supply organizer. Arrange craft supplies into clean categories for kids and hobbyists. Number 95. Small pet sitting buddy. Provide safe pet sitting in customers' homes during short trips. Number 96. Energy saver home inspector. Check lighting, appliances, and insulation to reduce energy usage. Number 97. Local community bulletin creator. Create a monthly printed or digital bulletin about neighborhood updates. Number 98. Baby essentials restock helper. Restock diapers, wipes, creams, and essentials for new parents weekly. Number 99. Thrift-focused room makeover. Redesign rooms using only thrifted or secondhand items. Number 100. Simple outdoor dinner setup. Arrange cozy outdoor dining setups with lights, mats, and simple decor. Number 101. Home laundry sorting assistant. Sort clothes by category, color, and wash type to save time for families. If you want to understand money the right way, don't stop here. Your next step is simple. Open our Cash Flow Projection Mastery course and watch it lesson by lesson. It teaches you how money moves, how to control it, and how to make your business survive any season. Start with the first video. Give yourself just 10 minutes and you'll feel the difference. The link is in the description. Go there now and continue your learning.